Hi my beats, hi my Beautets, welcome back to my channel. So today we got the back to school, that's right. I have this back to school makeup brand for you Beautets. And so I wanted to get this video out because I know we have back to school coming along. Sorry if you hear my son, he is home and I just had to film this, so I'm sorry. I just want to say that, you know, everyone's going back to school and we all want a nice natural summertime glam, whether you're going to college, whether you're a senior or you're in high school. And I just also, sorry if you see like any green, it was really hard to get the pigment out, as you can see from the last video. So I cleaned it 2 times and it's still kind of stuck, but nonetheless we're just gonna go along. So today we're gonna go in, you know my Beautets, you know that, oh sorry, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to also share and also turn on your post notifications so you can see when my video comes out. Okay? A little bit. Remember, we're going to school, we're going to college, so we're gonna do like a quick sub top pretty glam, like como like soft and pretty, but like you can see me, you know what I mean? Like nothing, but then like something, like no makeup, or like you can see me, like yeah, she's pretty, like yeah, you know what I mean? Like yeah, that's what we doing today, Monica. That's what we doing today, girl. And I'm sorry, some people be like, oh my god, you're so ghetto fabulous, or you're so, you know, they say like I'm Spanish, but like in a ghetto way, and it's hilarious because guys, I am not ghetto. Just because I tend to do certain things or say certain things or act a certain way because I like to be funny, and I just rather have people smile and laugh than it being like very dreary and like blah and like negative vibes. No way, Jose, I don't want that in my life. So I just tend to try to make everyone around me laugh. I might say the craziest shit just to say, you know, just to make your face laugh or do an expression. Alright, so we're filling this in, just very natural. We're not going to go too crazy. And we're going to come from here and just darken this tail. And we are going to go in with the porcelain ruby kisses, and this is just going to be our primer. Remember, we're putting a little bit because we got to get our ass to school, whether you're taking the bus, train, or be in that traffic, and it's like 6 or 7 a.m. We got to go, honey, we got to go. Gonna go in with an inexpensive eyeshadow, which is the Essence. It's very neutral, it's pink, but it's very pretty. And it's called Coral Me Maybe in 08. And it's very pretty. As you can see, it's like a subtle glam for a young lady, women, whoever could wear this look, whatever, honestly. I just love a peachy, natural-ish school makeup look, like a so, and then just like, it's a velvet eyeshadow, so it's very soft and feathery. Like the texture is very smooth and nice. You know what I mean? Sorry for my hair, it's like really crazy nowadays. And we're gonna go ahead and run along the left eye and do the same thing. So after, I'm kind of getting hot, guys. After we did our eyeshadow, now we're gonna move in with mascara. Now the mascara, that's the only thing that, I have an inexpensive one, but I just can't find it right now. So we're just gonna use this real quick. But you can use any mascara that you have, any inexpensive, any, whatever you like. We're just gonna like today's foundation that we're going to use is the Inflatable Pro Matte. It's a demi matte finish and it is known to oily skin. Now I'm hoping that this is going to cover it. If not, we're just going to beat the work. So yeah, we're going to use you're going to use a beauty blender. Make sure it's clean. I gotta wash mine, but we're going to wash it. And we're going to go in with this foundation with this beauty blender. I have a tan now also, so I'm not this color right now, but it's okay. I'd rather it to be lighter than darker. And with our Ruby Kisses concealer and booster, just for a little bit. Just for our dark circles, if you have any, or you just want to brighten the eye. Make sure you blend it all out. Concealer correct if you're using them under eye. We all got different shapes and sizes of face, so everything doesn't apply to everybody. Although it might be the right thing to do, everybody has different shapes and sizes of face. So what works for me might not work for you, and it doesn't mean, you know, it's bad or I'm lying or anything. It's just the fact of like, we all just have different faces. So I try to just stick to universal and neutral things so that I could apply it to all of you beautettes who are watching, and you can get the right training for your skin to do so. This foundation is so good. It's lightweight and I love the coverage. I only use one layer and I love it. So I'm definitely going to continue to buy this foundation, definitely. Okay, so now we're gonna move on with my air spun, because you know we all love the air spun and it's inexpensive and it goes perfect for school time. So I'm gonna apply this white cocaine. I'm joking. White cook the base. A little bit while this is powdering up, soaking up some sweat. We're gonna just add a natural contour. Just a natural contour and yeah. So we're just gonna blend it out. Just so we can have a nice contour, glowy face, and drag it down so that nothing will be this color. This is my green jelly. And now we're gonna wipe away this powder. Okay, beautettes, now that we got that flowing, we're gonna add in our nice blush, which, you know, I'm gonna go in with a touch of pink. It gives like a very natural look. Then we're gonna go in with our other blush, which is Pinky Flow. We're gonna use a tad bit of pink. A tad. Just to get that fresh glowing skin. Suede lipstick in Vanity Days. And we also have the NYX Swing Matte Lip Liner in Vanity Days. So these two go together. And yeah. We're keeping it inexpensive for you Beautets. I know some of you in school, you know, love affordable. I love affordable as well too, so why not? I love nude lip liners. They are done. Inflatable Pro Matte is a go. Yes sis, you need to get it. It works absolutely awesome. As you can see, it's lightweight. So all my beauties out there who want like a nice coverage but lightweight, and you sweat, this is normal to dry, normal to oily skin. This is perfect for you. Perfect. Our final back to school look. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all who stayed tuned. If you are new, welcome. I am Campus Beauty. I try to post videos, beauty vlogs every week. And today we were going to be doing, since back to school is coming, and we have a lot of schoolgirls, a lot of young ladies trying to have something nice, something soft. And this is what I came up with for that solution. So if you love this video, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can see when I come out with my videos. I love you Beautets, and I will see you on next time. Mwah, mwah. But without further ado, I hope you liked it, and I will see you Beautets on next time. Bye bye now.
I'm so trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah.